The latest report on cellulose ether market is projected to register a CAGR of 5.9% in terms of value from 2020 to reach $9.76 billion by 2028, says reports and data. Cellulose ether is produced with wood fiber or refined short cotton fiber as the key raw materials, by chemical treatment and the reaction of etherifying agents like chlorinated propylene, chlorinated ethylene, chlorinated propylene, and oxidized ethylene. This massive growth in demand among the end-use industry will raise the consumption of cellulose ether across the globe. Increasing use of cellulose ether in construction is expected to stimulate the market demand in the forecast period. It can be used in latex paints and emulsion. The principal function of cellulose ether as a thickening agent is to make the paint reach the desired storage and viscosity for construction, without severe delamination during storage or dripping and sagging occurrences during use.